Hello everyone, Jacob at Nexus here at 16A Nipmuc Trail, located in North Providence, Rhode Island. This is a 2-floor, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouse style condo located in a nice, quiet, peaceful residential area. Without further ado, let's begin with the centralized living space. Living area houses a vinyl wood flooring. It'll be the same flooring you see in your dining area. Wide open, bright window. You also have a decorative fireplace in here and plenty of outlets for any electronics. It does house, of course, the front entryway straight into the unit and the stairs leading up to the second floor. But overall, pretty good square footage in this living area for a multitude of different furniture setups. It also leads to the half bath, which is down here and connects to the dining area like I said previously. Let's start next with the dining area. Same flooring that you saw before, fresh paint, leads to a utility closet that houses your on-site laundry, which then leads to your one-car attached garage. You also have the glass sliding door here that leads to your own deck in the rear and connects to the kitchen area. Pretty good size, should be able to fit any size dining set. Next up is the kitchen space. Smaller kitchen with a tile flooring, housing plenty of cabinetry surrounding the appliances, wide open countertop, plenty of extra outlets for kitchen plugins, tile backsplash, and the appliances, of course, include the medium-sized refrigerator, 4-burner stove and oven, built-in microwave, dual bin sink, and dishwasher. And real quick before we head upstairs, we'll just check out the half bath to show you here. So, nothing crazy, just a small half bath on the first floor. Excellent. Now we'll head upstairs. Second floor houses your full bath and both bedrooms. Houses a carpet flooring primarily. The bathroom houses a tile flooring. But we'll start by checking out the bedrooms. First one up is the one to the left side. So both bedrooms should be able to fit queen size beds, no problem. The master bedroom, which is the second one we'll look at, should be able to fit any size bed set. Again, bright, wide open windows, plenty of space again, carpet flooring, good sized closet. This bedroom and the other bedroom should be able to work in a multitude of ways for any size bed set. Again, this one I think a queen would be a perfect fit for. You could potentially fit a king, but I just think queen is going to be a much more opportune fit for this bedroom. Next is the master bedroom. Same features you saw in the first bedroom, carpet, flooring, fresh paint, bright open windows. This bedroom I think you should be able to fit any size bed set in, no problem at all. And this bedroom houses a pretty good sized closet at that. Perfect. Finally, we'll check out the full bath here. Again, tile flooring. You've got the full tub and shower house to the left side ready to go. Really modern-esque tile walling around it. And towards the right, you have your bowl sink and large mirror up above. So once again, this is 16A Nipmuc Trail, located in North Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we publish on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. I'd also recommend to contact us, the Nexus Rhode Island office, at 401-288-1117 if you are in fact interested in this unit and would like to schedule a showing or submit an application. Thank you.